We are totally digital and as a mobile provider, and that's why we are belonging very strongly on database, and that's why we're working the last 15 to 20 years very strongly with Oracle. It was very, very complicated because we are quite happy with Oracle as a database, but we was not quite happy with the increase of cost, and we have to be price sensitive. And so we look around what we can do. And the solution for that was depending on third-party solutions for the maintenance. And then we're looking around to Spinnaker, and so we decided to go in that direction. We set up many meetings with Spinnaker and the departments together to talk with the technical people how you will do it, how do you want to behave, and how do you want to go forward with this. Spinnaker not only deliver a solution, they help to implement the solution. You have to talk with the departments and get the trust of the departments, but after the first 2-3 months, the trust was there. We get informed there is a patch, but and at the same month or same day, it comes out from Spinnaker a solution for that and a workaround. They don't provide patches, they provide workarounds. It's the same result. We solve the problem. For us, it was very, very, very clear from the beginning, but we have to do an RFQ, and we did an RFQ. The pricing was compatible and was very good, and so we decided to go with Spinnaker. So we extended the contract for the next 3 years until end of 27. One of the main part was the savings we doing comparable to an Oracle ULA contract, and that's why we choose a quality but not so price sensitive like Spinnaker.